Okay, happy Friday mga ka-iPro. So another end of the week, meaning no trades muna tayo ngayong gabi or today. Mga students, take a break muna tayo. Let's enjoy the long weekend. Diba? Sa Monday na tayo sumabak sa market. Kaya sa Monday, alam niyo naman, usual, kakaroon tayo ng market analysis. Pero we have a special announcement tonight. Next week, kung kilala niyo si JDR, the broker that we represent, magkakaroon po tayo ng meet and greet sa Zoom with Sir Joe, one of the owners of JDR, yung Filipino owner niya. Kaya, I'm gonna insert the picture in this video. Ayan. So, nandun po yung details. I'll post the picture or the poster in the comment. Kaya, tingnan nyo na lang dun. Alright? So, weekends. Self-reflect, pahinga tayo, refresh the mind. Alright? So, kita-kits tayo mga ka-iPro. Enjoy the weekends. Ayan.